Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the watch itself. First, make sure the device runs the latest watch OS, updates fixed notification quirks. Swipe up into Control Center and tap the bell to enable silent mode so no tones play. Once done, open Settings Sounds and Haptics and raise haptic strength. This makes vibrations perceptible when sound is off. You'll still receive alerts, but only the Taptic engine will notify you without audible beeps, which is the goal here. Next, control which alerts vibrate and which are silenced. On iPhone or watch, set a focus, do not disturb, and allow only specific apps or people to notify you. This reduces unwanted vibrations. Then open the watch app on your iPhone. For each app, disable sounds or alerts to prevent audio while leaving haptics on. Make sure cover to mute is configured for quick muting. Once configured, only allowed notifications will tap your wrist, avoiding not. Finally, verify the setup by sending a test message and scheduling a calendar alert. Confirm you feel taps with no sound. If vibrations are weak, go back and increase haptic strength or toggle system haptics. If haptics fail entirely, restart both devices and recheck settings. As a final troubleshooting step, reset haptics or unpair and repair the watch. This clears persistent bugs. If problems persist, contact Apple support, but usually testing and a restart resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.